Hi guys and girls, trying out something new here. Instead of never finishing projects, they take forever, I decided I'm just gonna do videos about the stuff I do on the weekends. Just push them out like they happen. So I'm starting with a vise I'm cleaning up for a friend. He needs one. I have that one, had this on the attic for years. The thing is, the bolts are all mismatched, so the plan was to just make new bolts and send it on its way. So the vise is an LES HS100. This is a post-war version of the Meyer and Weichelt HS100, which is a little bit different, a little bit longer, and a little bit different casting. It doesn't look as good as the old one, but it's definitely the better work vise. And since this is going to be a work vise, I have no problem sending that away. I just got this for a few bucks. So just making new bolts here. So need to take off a little from the sides. We're gonna do it this way. So, I could have used like 3 of the old ones, but yeah, got a nice set here, and let's tighten this up. Just need new washers, I guess, and new nuts, because the old ones they are not really nice. 6 new M8, and we need washers. That's why I buy these sets. I buy them from Lidl, Aldi. They come in handy when you suddenly need washers. Just need to don't need these. Put this on. It's kind of simple. That's the good thing about these old about this system with the steel bars. You can easily machine it if there's play. You can way more everything is 90 degrees, so you never have a problem with machining. Like with a linen or a bole, you have those angles. If you need to machine this, that's not so much fun. But on this one, it's kind of simple. Let's put this back on. And so we have, let's take a look, close it. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, I've got to open it and then tighten them up. As you can see, it's not that easy getting it just right, so it's not too tight and not too sloppy if they are not worn out. Once they're worn out, you don't have that problem. Let's see if you can get this back on. So I tweaked it a bit and in the end got it to a state where it's okay, not too tight and not too loose. And the plan was that this is all I wanted to do with the vise, just make new bolts and then send it on its way. But the next day I decided that this wasn't really going to work, so I decided to clean it up a bit, like really get the gunk of the vase, because it was really dirty there. So I started scraping and wire wheeling to get all this stuff off, because I don't know what happened with the vise, but it was full of grease. Kind of protected it from the rust, but also was really not nice to touch and use. The steel bars had little burrs, so I used the stone to clean them up, and I also cleaned up the counterpart on the vise where they sit, so it would be a good fit. And back to the grinder, because I realized I had to take off more of the circumference from the bolts, because they only sit on the top of the plate. They needed to be smaller in diameter. And after cleaning up everything, I realized it was still not enough, so I tried a different technique using a file until they fit right into the steel bar. As finishing touch, I decided to clean up the anvil area. First file it down a bit and then polish it with a disc. So that's all this weekend. I finished the vise, and the plan is to wrap it up next weekend so I can ship it out. I hope you guys are okay with the new format. It would be nice if you could leave a comment about if you want more narration or less narration, or what I should change, so I can do that for the next videos. And that's all for this weekend. See you next time.